Hello, my name is Todd Lees from Latima Brokerage and welcome to what has been our very irregular weekly wire of late. We trust you had a great Easter break and you're able to spend some quality time with your families during this period. Little has changed in the market since our last wire, in which the trading environment could easily be described as lackluster and subdued. From the demand side, harvest is underway in India, Pakistan and Egypt, and all destinations have a very large tonnage of imports either sitting in storage at port or on the water awaiting discharge. These factors have fairly well stymied any serious demand from consumers in the past few weeks. On the supplier side, the combination of a high Australian dollar and a very hot, dry March means that farmers are in no hurry to sell any existing tonnage that they may have in storage on farm, nor have they little appetite to sell forward any further additional tonnage. Farmers have probably already sold forward 15 to 30% of their estimated production and are unlikely to commit further to any more sales until they have a well-established crop in the ground. This will not happen until we receive a decent planting rain, which will hopefully be this month of April. The Baltic region is also yet to plant their crop, so it's too early to prophesise on the size and the quality of the Baltic yellow pea and faba bean crop. To the markets, all of the pre-mentioned factors means there's a fairly wide spread between buyer and seller price ideas. New crop Desi chickpeas are being offered around that 750 CFR India level. Green mung beans are at about 1150 CFR India. Aussie faba beans have been dropping in price to try and attract some buying interest from Egyptian consumers and are now being offered in that around that 430 level, Egypt, CFR Egypt. Lupins are still around that 430 to 440 range, and nipper lentils are being offered around 1100 CFR Egypt. New crop Baltic beans are reportedly being offered around that 320 to 330 CFR Egypt level. On a side note, and in keeping with this International Year of Pulses, we have a weekly rural program in Australia called Landline, which recently they have run a couple of very good stories on mung beans and faba beans. So if you have any interest in those commodities, please go online and have a look at www.landline.com.au. Very interesting and well worth a look. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.